So, Eädyth Crawford.
Shwmae pawb. Mae'n pleser bod yma heddiw. Diolch yn fawr I All Under One Banner, I Yes Cymru am cael fi lan ar y llwyfan. Diolch am ddathlu, am orymdeithio, am gefnogi, a dwi just mor lwcus I cael y siawns yma I siarad a I meddwl am rhywbeth I ddweud. When I first got asked to do this speech, I started immediately doubting my ability to even give speeches. I wasn't sure what I could say, how I could come across, what to be like. But this kind of made me realise and start realising how important it is for people like myself to be given a stage and a voice, because perspectives such as mine really do matter. I'm here as someone who's not heavily political, but I am someone who cares deeply about Wales, and also about the people I work with and grow with and make friendships with, and of course the future of Wales and the future we can create together. I'r rhai o chi sydd ddim yn nabod fi, fi yw Eädyth Crawford, canwr, perfformwr a ysgrifennwr dwyieithog, ac am rhan fwyaf o fy ngyrfa dwi wedi bod yn ffodus I weithio fel creadigwr annibynnol. Mae lot o'r gwaith fi'n neud yn cynnwys mentora I artistiaid yng Nghymru, a pob tro fi'n gweld pa mor anhygoel yw I weld a gweithio gyda'r pobl sydd yn siapio y genedl hon heddiw. It's always such a pleasure to be met with the strength, resilience, drive, confidence and creativity that exists within our communities today. These communities matter, our communities matter, and when we feel seen and heard, especially by those who lead us, it always encourages us further to want to be a part of the story and history, and most importantly, to feel a sense of belonging here in Wales. Independence for me isn't just about politics, it's about self-belief. It's about building a Wales where every person, no matter their background, their race, their accent, or where they live, grows up knowing that they belong here. Dyma'r math o Gymru rydw I eisiau bod yn rhan o. Cymru gynhwysol, greadigol, lleisgar sydd yn croesawu pawb ac yn sefyll dros bawb. A country where creativity isn't just encouraged, it's celebrated, and where music, art and culture are at the root of our society. And that continues to shape us. Diolch. I've been lucky enough to see what happens when we do invest into our communities, when we invest into our young people, and when we invest into kindness and care, and that slowly starts to change us and our perspectives. Dyma pam dwi'n credu mewn Cymru sy'n buddsoddi yn ei cymunedau. Cymru sy'n codi plant a phobl allan o dlodi. Nid yn unig drwy bolisïau, ond trwy newid gwirioneddol yn ei cymunedau. Rwy'n credu mewn Cymru lle nad yw uwch hunaniaeth yn cael ei gwestiynu. Sdim ots os chi'n siarad Cymraeg yn rhugl, dim ond yn dysgu, neu ddim ond yn gwybod ble I ddechrau. Mae'r iaith, y stori a hanes Cymraeg yn perthyn I ni gyd. Mae Gymraeg yn perthyn I bawb. Our culture isn't just something we need to preserve, it's something that we seriously need to grow. Independence, I think, gives us that chance to decide what kind of Wales we want to be, to shape our identity, and shape an identity that reflects our values, our difference, and those that need to be celebrated. Felly, dwi yma heddiw, da ni yma heddiw. Let's not forget that this isn't just about the independence of Wales, but the independence sydd yn perthyn I pob un person fan hyn. Mae rhaid I ni adeiladu Cymru lle mae llais pawb yn cyfri, lle ni gyd yn cymryd rheolaeth dros ein dyfodol a siapio'r dyfodol gyda'n gilydd. Felly, ymlaen at Gymru fwy cynhwysol, mwy unedig a mwy hunanbwysig. Ymlaen at annibyniaeth. Diolch yn fawr.
Brilliant, Eädyth. Brilliant.